Imagine a world where diseases are eradicated before birth, individuals possess unprecedented intelligence. This may sound like science fiction, but with the rapid advancement in the field of genetic engineering, it will become our reality. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. My name is Anwar Karim Lau bin Lukman Hakim Lau, and I am from class CEEE 26038. Today I will talk about genetic engineering and question whether or not it should be allowed to be performed on humans. First, let us see what is the definition of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is the process of altering the DNA through direct manipulation using laboratory-based technologies and change the organism phenotype or also known as genome in a certain way. As, as the quote by Stephen Hawking, with genetic engineering, we will be able to increase the complexity of our DNA and improve the human race. However, this poses ethical and moral questions. It is because genetic engineering challenges the very essence of what it means to be a human. Now, I will talk about the types of genetic engineering or gene editing. There are two types of gene editing: somatic gene editing and germline gene editing. Somatic gene editing does not changes the characteristics of the future generation. It means it only affected the person where the genes come from, whereas the germline gene editing affect the cell of a person whose gene is edited, and when it passed down to his or her future generation or next of kin or his kin. Now, somatic gene editing will not affect future generations, but germline gene editing will affect future generations. Now, I will focus on the germline gene editing. The germline gene editing is very new because uh, now in the present day, not many not many clinical tests have been done using germline gene editing. Next, I will show you the timeline of gene editing. In the 1970s, the gene splicing experiment is conducted. In 1982, synthetic insulin is invented. 1996, genetically modified crops appear. And in 2012, the CRISPR technique is discovered for gene editing. With this CRISPR technique, scientists can eradicate genes. Scientists can edit genes with unprecedented precision, which can help eradicate hereditary diseases. However, it raises ethical concern and implication about issues such as designer babies. This can be proven by this is one of the case of the 2018 where a Chinese scientist has performed an embryo gene editing and create two designer babies, which is said to be successful. However, he is arrested as it is considered unethical. I firmly believe that genetic engineering should be allowed in humans but within a regulated framework. It will ensure a responsible use of this method. Now I will delve into the benefits of genetic engineering. First, it can improve medical treatments. Genetic engineering can help cure genetic diseases as it can eliminate a cell or a gene from a genome causes that causes said diseases. Secondly, genetic engineering can enhance human capabilities. It can enhance human traits such as resistance to disease and intelligence by manipulating the gene that determine the said trait, such as intelligence or height. However, the genetic engineering could also cause some negative effects. One of them is unintended mutation, and the other is genetic inequality. From both of benefits and disadvantages that I just stated, can confirm that genetic engineering is a double-edged sword. It can offer unprecedented benefits and also poses a significant risk. I implore you to take careful consideration on this critical issue and take a stance based on your consideration. It is because genetic engineering cannot be said that it's all bad, and it also cannot be said that all is great. So I hope that you can think carefully of this issue whether genetic engineering should be allowed in humans. In conclusion, genetic engineering, when approached in a responsible manner, can help humans live longer and be more resilient. As we are the witness of the current advancement of genetic engineering, the choice that we make today will echo through the generations. So let us proceed with wisdom and compassion when we make our choice. Thank you.